Pragati Engineering College, an autonomous institution transforming students into engineers since 2001, permanently affiliated to JNTU Kakinada and recognized by UGC, accredited by NBA and NAC with A grade, also accredited by TCS for campus recruitment.
Namaste all. I, P. Rajshekhar Panindra, Associate Professor and NSS Program Officer of Pragati Engineering College, Surampalam, Kakinada, East Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. In connection with the Each One Reach One, a community service program organized by Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education from 5th June to 22nd June 2021. In this program, along with me, 3 faculty members, that is Mrs. P. Sravani, Mrs. S. Bhargavi and Mr. V. Manideep, and 11 student volunteers participated in this program. In this 20-day program, the student volunteers along with the faculty members interacted with nearly 298 COVID affected patients and provided them moral support and also provided necessary information for the proper maintenance of their healthy habits and their hygiene. Our student volunteers daily, on a basis of nearly 5 to 6 COVID affected patients, they called them and interacted with them and provided them all the necessary information required during this pandemic time. By the student volunteers was that in this pandemic time, nearly a large number of COVID patients were affected with the loss of lives of their near and dear. The people were affected with not only with health but also with money and also with the human support. As a part of National Service Scheme, our college students thought of providing them all the necessary information in this critical time to provide them best moral support. Our NSS unit of the college regularly conducts these kind of programs in the neighboring villages, but this kind of program was really a great opportunity to serve a mankind in this pandemic time. From the side of Pragati Engineering College and my NSS unit and volunteers, I thank Mr. Sai Kiran Garu, coordinator of MN, the Mahatma Gandhi National Council for Rural Education, has given a unique opportunity for not only to the Pragati Engineering College but also a large number of colleges which participated in this program. This was a nice experience to share our experiences with those colleges during the presentation on 6th July, in which we submitted a report of our interaction with 298 beneficiaries under our activity to Mr. Sai Kiran Garu. I also thank our management, especially our chairman, Dr. Parchuri Krishnarao Garu, and the principal of our college, Dr. S. Sambhu Prasad, who always gave the necessary support and necessary requirements to conduct these kind of activities regularly. They are always in forefront to participate and also to encourage our faculty members and students to come forward in these kind of situations for the help of humanity. I also thank my NSS volunteers. I also thank the total members who were part of this program, providing the necessary help and support to complete this activity. At last, I convey my thanks to the God for saving a lot of lives in this pandemic situation. Thank you.
Namaste all. I am Santoshi studying BTech third year Electrical and Electronics Department at Pragati Engineering College, East Godavari District, Andhra Pradesh. During the COVID pandemic, under the guidance of Dr. Prasad Raju sir, I have participated in Each One Reach One mission under Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education. It was just an amazing experience I had during this pandemic. I felt it is very important to give some emotional support to the people who are losing their beloved ones, or they're feeling some depressed illness and demotivated. So I felt it is very important to provide the mental support. So I participated in Each One Reach One mission, and I have called 5 contacts a day in my contact list, so that at least I can spare 30 minutes to the people who are affected by the COVID. So, me and my student friends contacted 3 to 4 people a day, and we share the information what we know regarding this pandemic. We shared what medicines they can take according to the COVID severity, and what type of food they can consume. And we all shared the information that we gathered. It is a great opportunity for me, my student friends, and my faculty coordinators as well. I just thought if I can help any one member, my zeal to help the people will be accomplished. But through this task, I found college totally helping 298 people. I can proudly say we have 298 beneficiaries through us. And while coordinating this, I just felt happy because people are calling me back and saying that, ma'am, we are getting improved. We are just tested negative and we are happy. We are taking good food. And I just felt people in India are so sweet. And apart from this, I also saw the times where people saying that they lost their beloved ones, and they felt bad, they're just sad and demotivated, and saying we are there for you is a big thing for any kind of person who is affected. Because of you sir, we just thank Dr. Prasad Raju sir and Sai Kiran sir for helping many people getting out from this mental stress during this pandemic. So I sincerely thank our principal Dr. P. Shambhu Prasad sir and faculty coordinators and my student friends who supported me continuously in doing this task, and got a chance to help the people who are affected by the COVID. And that is all I wanted to share, and thank you for this opportunity. Jai Hind.